Both antibody dependent and independent complement pathway converge on which component C3. Disinfectant used in laboratories are sodium hypochlorite. Electron microscopy was introduced by Ruska, Ruska. A boy has shortness of breath, presents in OPD, injected with penicillin, has never history of allergy. On examination after 48 hours, his RBCs are getting destroyed. He has diagnosed with AIHA, that is immunohemolytic anemia. Type of hypersensitivity is type 2. True about conjugated completed in bacteria. Sex pilus is used. PILUS is used. The development of cells of immune system in the individual is called as ontogeny. Sterilization is a process in which deactivate all spores and kill pathogenic organisms. Stain used to make the wetted area of filter paper strip more visible is Menhydrin stain. Complement factors through which common pathway begin with C3. Out of the following hypersensitivity reaction, in which type a single dose of antigen can act as both a sensitizing and shocking dose? Serum sickness. Which of the following statement is true? Nutrient broth is basal media. Nutrient broth is basal media. Sterilization of culture media containing serum is by micropore filter. Explanation. Most of the culture media are sterilized by autoclaving at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes at 15 lb pressure per square inch. Constituents like serum, trypsin, growth factors, protein, amino acids, vitamins, hormones, carbohydrates, and plant extracts are thermolabile and may decompose during autoclaving. Therefore, these must be sterilized by filtration. Cytokines include interleukins. Explanation. Cytokines are peptide mediators or intracellular messengers produced by a wide variety of hemopoietic and non-hemopoietic type of cells in response to immunoinflammatory or infectious disease states. Most of the lymphokines exhibit multiple biological effects, and same effect may be caused by different lymphokines. Lewis triple response is caused due to histamine. Explanation. Histamine is a vasoactive amine that is located in most body tissues but is highly concentrated in the lungs, skin, and GIT. It is stored in mast cell and basophils. When it is injected intradermally, it causes the triple response consisting of red spot due to capillary dilation, green due to exudation of fluid from capillaries and venules, flare, redness in the surrounding area due to anterior dilation mediated by axon reflux. Bradykinin causes pain at the site of inflammation. Cell-mediated immunity is type 4. Immediator type 1 hypersensitivity is immediator. Antibody mediator or type 2 hypersensitivity. Immune complex mediated type 3. Cell mediated type 4. Antibody found in patients with myasthenia gravis is direct against acetylcholine receptor. A 40-year-old man has chronic cough with fever for several months. The chest radiograph reveals a diffuse reticulonuclear pattern. Microscopically on transbronchial biopsy, there are focal areas of inflammation containing epithelioid cell granuloma, Langerhans giant cell, and lymphocytes. These findings are typical for which of the following types of hypersensitivity immunologic response? Type 4. Explanation. Presence of epithelioid cell granuloma, Langerhans